house is buried. Roof rake, can't even see that. It's somewhere underneath there. Mount Tilak almost coming out. We can get to work, so oh my gosh. It's like powder skiing getting face shots. People are just buried. Someone got out here. I know, someone probably came to plow them out in that mount. Yeah, it's tricky. I might have to drive Bree in this morning. It's wild. It looks like Washoe got a plow, but wow, I gotta jam through that. Okay. So ultimately, what I was doing here is basically driving around our neighborhood and creating tracks, or basically a rut, so that I knew that I'd be able to get out of the neighborhood, which is a little risky because obviously if you get stuck, you're stuck. But at this point, I knew I could at least get out to get Bree to work. So at this point, I let Bree drive and get in the car as she got out to the main road as Pioneer, and we threw the dogs in the back because we knew they'd like it. And at this point, I just walked back to our house with the dogs, and we had a good old time. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Here's the difference between plowed and unplowed. It doesn't look too much on camera, but a RAV4 with all-wheel drive and proper snow tires really was at its limit. So pretty. What do you think, Miss Bella? Penny! Come here! Penny's loving it. Wild. Hey, Penny, come on. Once was a vehicle, somewhere's down there. Oh my gosh. And bear box. So if you remember earlier in the video, in the morning, I was kind of walking back after I dropped Bree off, and it kind of went from an area where there were tracks to where there were not tracks. And basically, one of the houses that I show was my neighbor's, and basically he had asked for help to start clearing his roof because he was starting to get worried about the snow load. And so these next few clips are just of us clearing his roof. We probably cleared 6 to 8 feet. So pretty. Backyard trails. Gives you just a little perspective of how deep it is. Finishing up the day with some sun. And we finished all the snow clearing.